I know you're gonna. Oh, I know. You wave.
She's waving.
That's a good girl.
Hi.
Yeah. That's a good girl. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. She's way more afraid of you than you are of her. She's terrified of strangers. So yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. She trusts me, and that's about it. Yeah. And I've had her for 29 years. What a girl. Yeah. How about it? Sing a song. Sing a song.
You make her wave. Hi.
Can you wave? Wave to me. Wave.
Like, Mom, I'm on camera.
Yeah, that's a good girl. Good baby. Good girl.
Did you teach her that?
Huh?
The waving? Did you
Yeah.
teach her that? Oh, very
You
cute.
shake hands. Not a song you like? She'll get up there and play. She knows how to turn it on. There's
Oh,
about
that's funny.
2 or 3 different songs and some numbers and colors and stuff that are on there, and she does them. Oh, baby.
You're just looking out the window.
You're not
Just
showing
wanna
off very
see.
well. No, you're not.
Just wanted to see.
Really? Come here. What?
That's a pretty color.
Hmm?
The color of the lamp.
The color?
Yeah, the
Oh.
color.
What? Many people like them. They think they're cute and they're different. Not
Yeah.
everybody has them, and so they want one. And then when they get them, especially after the novelty wears off, the first few weeks or months or whatever, they're wanting to hold them and
okay.
show 'em, look at you, you're a stinker. So then they wonder why they get mean,
Yeah.
because they're locked in a cage all the time when they weren't when they first got them. So,
Well, if anyone's gonna be locked in a cage,
Right. Right.
I don't believe in cages.
Yeah, they're living creatures. You have to, think about that. They need love and attention just like everything else does. Huh, Brat? Yes. Totally.
Every time I'm gonna try to record her like dancing because I see her dancing, I bring out my phone, she stops and she goes up there. It's like she knows.
Shy.
Yeah,
What's she
never
doing
fails.
when she does that?
Or
I'm itching, maybe.
you waving again? You play your music? He's got your What's your music? You can dance? Dance. You're gonna do the music box? You do it. You know how. Dance. Dance. Dance.
She does a little bit.
He's hanging
Just taking a
around.
liar out of Mama, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Don't do things on command. I gotta do it when I want to.
What up?
What up? You can stay up there.
What up?
What up?
What up?
You're spoiled. You gonna come back on the couch again, or the chair? Come on.
What up?
Come on. Come on up here.
We don't know if she can make it.
I don't know if he can make it on that side. She usually comes down on the other side. Are you stuck?
You
Climb
think she
across.
does-
Oh,
she is
look.
stuck.
No, watch.
What color?
Come on. Come on. Come on up here. Come on. You're going to get up there? Step up. What? Climb across. Come on. Come on. What? sit here long enough, Mom will pick me up. That's the problem. Yeah.
Can birds jump?
There you go. Can you get up there? Come on. Come on.
So she used her beak to hold on, huh?
Yeah. This is a
I've never seen a bird go sideways.
Good girl. Yeah. Smart bird. Yeah.